I can't even describe the taste of this ice cream. Like, first of all, when I saw the color, I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this color because it has like purple yam or something on it. I'm like, nah, bro, I don't think I would like this. So, guys, I'm going to start eating my lunch. My lunch. So, this is what I'm eating. Let me show you. So, I am eating chicken and fried rice. This is pepper because you know I like to eat everything with hot sauce. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys back when I'm done eating because I like to concentrate on my food. I love food. I am a foodie. Y'all know that already. So yeah. You guys wanna watch me eat? So watch me eat. Almost forgot. Almost forgot. So, my coworker wants me to try this ice cream. My coworker is from the Philippines. He's Filipino. So he wants me to try this ice cream. You see? He's just calling me to try this ice cream. So I think it's purple yam or something like that. So all right, let me go. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try it. I'm kind of full now because I just ate. I wanted to try it afterwards when my food is kind of settled. But since he's calling me now, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Okay, let's see. So guys, I'm gonna try this ice cream. So I think the name is ube or something like that. I'll show you guys the container. Yo, this is the best ice cream I've ever tasted in my life. Jeez, look at it. This is the best. The ice cream tastes so good. Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, you can't eat this ice cream without doing that. Like, what did they put in this? Guys, I'm not exaggerating. I'm not exaggerating. I have to go buy this ice cream. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, but I have. Wow. Oh, I forgot my mic. Oh my gosh. This ice cream is very good. Like, I can't even describe the taste of this ice cream. Like, first of all, when I saw the color, I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this color because it has like purple yam or something on it. I'm like, nah, bro, I don't think I would like this. But when I tasted this ice cream, jeez, this is the best ice cream I've ever tasted in my life.
Are you doing a little hot topic?
Yeah. I'm happy you're wearing a mask, so I can't really see what you were doing.
Yeah, baby. Yes.
This is the best ice cream ever, ever. Take care. Bye bye. Oh, mm, mm, mm. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Mm-mm. I'm not exaggerating. I don't know what it tastes like. Okay, let me try to describe the taste. So it tastes creamy, like every ice cream, but it has like a creamy taste, like a extra creamy, and mm, there's a little grainy texture, but see, but I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is a very good ice cream. Please, I recommend this ice cream. Try it. Mm. This is my favorite. This is my new favorite ice cream. Jeez. If I have this at home, I'll eat it off in one day. You guys must be like, oh, you're just exaggerating. I'm not exaggerating. It's good. Look at this. Wow. Lord. Oh Lord. This is good. Like, and you can't eat this ice cream. And you can't just eat this ice cream fast. You have to just take your time and just let the flavors just soak right in. Then it just melts. Woo. This is some good stuff. Whoever came up with this idea, bro, good job. Good job. Good job. So I like Filipino ice cream. Ooh la la. It's good. It's very good. Wow. This ice cream took my taste buds to a different world. Oh Lord. I have to buy this ice cream and take it home. But I can't just buy one. I have to buy like 2 or 3. Or buy the biggest one that they have. Because it won't last long in my house. Because my people in my house, they're ice cream lovers, just like me. Wow, it's like I was in ice cream heaven a while ago. I went for seconds. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the best ice cream. This is my new favorite ice cream. And what else can I say? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. And try to find this ice cream, and I bet your family will love this ice cream. They say that it's still in the no frill. Well, but that's for people who live in Canada. For the people who don't live in Canada, I don't know, but try to find it because it's very good. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please remember guys to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless you guys. Bye. Mm, 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 mm.